What is up, guys? Julius here, and today I'm going to show you this. So I am just here in my Adobe After Effects where I have created a composition, and I have just a regular clip of a girl drinking from a bottle. So the first thing you want to do to get this effect started is double click the composition into layer mode. In here you want to select the Roto Brush tool. Just start outlining your object. It does not have to be precise because the algorithm will figure out what you're outlining. So this is just what I'm doing here. I want to outline the water bottle. Once I'm done with that, you will see that it does not get it perfectly. So what you want to do here is hold down Alt and just remove the parts that it did not get correctly. You just zoom in and try to be a little bit more precise. But for the sake of this example, I'm not going to be like 100% precise. But let's get a speed up on me working on this. Let me just see. Yep, looks fine. And what you will see when you start playing the clip is that the mask is actually gonna correct itself to like follow the bottle. As you can see, this does not take very long. There might be some small flaws in the outlining. And here there's a little thing bothering me because it is not capturing the entire bottle. So just mark this and make sure that it captures the right thing. And it should correct to like the rest of the video. So it doesn't ruin like your previous stuff. Just have to Roto Brush the fingers again here. And as I said, I'm going really fast with this. It's not something I'm gonna use for anything, but if I were to use it for like a music video or something, I would be more precise to like show my my craft. Now we are going to go back into the composition, and as you can see, the water bottle has been cut out. So what you want to do is click on your clip, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V to copy the clip. Go into a lowermost clip and remove the effect. And now it just looks like our regular clip. Now we want to go into Effects and Presets, search for an effect called Colorama, and apply that to our top layer. And as you can see, the water bottle has already changed, but there will be like no animation going on. So what you basically want to do is go to the start of your clip and go into Input Phase, click the cogwheel next to Phase Shift to enable keyframes, go to the end of your clip and just spin the phase shift a bunch of times. It will kind of like animate and cycle through the different phases. As you can see here, it looks really nice already. I'm generally happy with this. You can also play around with like different preset panels, different output cycles, maybe even invert the colors, but I'm just gonna go with like the basic Colorama preset here. So the next thing I like to do is copy the topmost clip with the Colorama effect on it and apply a blur just to like make it more smooth and blend in with the edges. I'm just gonna go with camera lens blur here. And I think I go with 15% blur here, maybe like an 8% blur or something like that. This is a little bit too blurry, so I think I'm gonna go down. Yeah, that looks nice. And last thing I want to do is go into my second clip, go into the Roto Brush tool. And then I want to go into Roto Brush Matte, just increase the feather a little bit, just to make the edges a little bit more smooth. Yep, something like that looks nice maybe. Maybe a little bit more. There's a dog barking. How annoying. Well, we're done. I'm happy with that. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. Please consider dropping a comment, letting me know which type of tutorials you would like to see, and please subscribe if I helped you, it really motivates me. If you want to see more of me, my Instagram is linked in the description, but I rarely post. Tomorrow there will be a new tutorial. Bye guys!